Hi everyone, this is Leslie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cover with you the ideal Herbalife nutrition programs to suit everybody and everybody's goals and achievement levels. So first of all, before I go any further, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, ring the notifications bell, and then we can have much more in this series to help you with your nutritional health programs. But today I'm going to cover with you the programs that we use for getting healthy, for losing weight, for gaining weight, and to maintain that weight, all on a fantastic budget. Now, the basic Herbalife nutrition products are these core products that I have right here. They are our shake, tea, and aloe. Very famous little grouping of shake, tea, and aloe. That is an absolute basic program that I would recommend anybody has, whether they want to gain weight, lose weight, or maintain their weight. I personally use these products for losing weight with, and I will show you how I did that. This is a very basic program. If you have a basic budget, this is the program that I would suggest that you start with. You have your tea and your aloe for hydration every day. The tea is magic. It burns 80 to 100 calories per cup. The aloe you can add to the tea, or you can just have it plain with water. And both ways, it will help with your digestion, help with your absorption, so that everything works so much better and gets absorbed so much better and you don't feel hungry. The shake, of course, is our healthy, nutritious meal replacement. You have that for your breakfast and your lunch, and you have one healthy meal if you want to lose weight, or you just have it once a day if you just want to get healthy. So that is the key shake, tea, and aloe program. If you want to get a little bit cleverer with it, as I do, and I often suggest to my customers that this is what you do. You can add on these other products as well. And how this works is really, really great. The Formula 2, by virtue of the fact that we have, this one is called Formula 1 and this one is called Formula 2. Formula 2 is a multivitamin compound which is designed to work together with the Formula 1 and 2. That's why they're called that. And with the two of them together, you will be receiving the exact balance of all the nutrients that your body needs, bar none. So by taking this, your body is going to be so satisfied and so happy that it's a perfect support to any program where you want to get your body into shape, either with some weight loss or some weight gain. We just do it the best because you're not starving your body, or you're not putting all kinds of crazy, nasty things into your body to make you gain weight or to make you lose weight. Quite simply, Herbalife nourishes your body with all the right balance of nutrients that it requires, and therefore when you're using those, your body will start to work the miracle of health, i.e. losing weight, gaining weight, which would be losing nasty fat and gaining good lean muscle tissue. So it's all taken care of when you give yourself the right balance of nutrients that scientists and doctors have designed for your everyday use. So you don't need to worry about, is it good for me? Is it safe? It's fine. It's all been worked out by the experts. So yes, I was talking about adding on. So if you add on the Formula 2 multivitamin, that will help support your weight loss and weight gain and healthy program, because you're going to be giving yourself so much more nutrition and everything's going to work that much better. These other two supportive things are absolutely fabulous as well. Not essential, but I consider them pretty essential, because the protein drink mix, wait till you hear what it does, it replaces the need for milk. Now, 40 to 50% of adults can't properly digest cow's milk. They get on occasionally with it in their coffee and their tea and a bit of their cereal, but it's not something that cow's milk is not something that people can just drink 2 full glasses of every single day and feel fine. They soon realize that there are some allergic side effects. And that could just be, bloating or diarrhea or constipation, all kinds of other things. Basically, cow's milk was designed for baby cows, not for human beings. So, some humans can tolerate it, but a lot of us can't. So protein drink mix, first of all, replaces the need for milk in your shake. What we do is we just have a glass of water and we add 1 scoop of this powder, and that makes your milk base. Then you add your 2 scoops of Formula 1 healthy meal shake into your milk base and shake it up or stir it up or whiz it up, whatever you want to do. That is going to create your shake with a non-dairy milk. So that's absolutely great. Not only does it replace milk and make life easier for you, but also it adds extra protein to your shake. And when you're getting extra protein, you don't feel as hungry. When you're getting extra protein, your muscles are being fed. When you're getting extra protein, your muscles start to burn off the body fat. So win, win, win. This is a fantastic product. I would recommend it every single time. And it makes everything taste so much nicer and creamier and yummier. So if you can afford it, add in the PDM for sure. And then, last but not least, to our essential pack is the oat apple fibre. Now, for many people who want to lose a bit of weight, actually a lot of the time they want to lose a bit of bloating around the tummy area. And this will help to get rid of all that is sitting around inside your system that needs to go. And with some very simple soluble and insoluble fibres, 1 scoop of this added to your shake each day will just make sure that you have a lovely, smooth and healthy move to get rid of all that stuff. Some people even take this as a belly buster. The little trick here is to add the protein drink mix to your oat apple fibre and have it as a hot drink at night before you go to bed. And that's another secret little way of getting that bloating down and helping with a couple of extra inches off that tummy and waistline. So anyway, there you are. I hope that's helped you. Just to summarize, if you want to lose weight, you have 2 shakes a day and 1 healthy meal and a couple of healthy protein snacks. If you want to gain weight, you're going to have 3 shakes a day with 3 healthy meals and a couple of healthy protein snacks. And if you just want to maintain your weight, you have 1 shake a day and a couple of healthy meals and a couple of healthy snacks. And then you can add in the tea and aloe when you want to burn off some extra calories, get more energy, help boost the metabolism, anything you like. But very simply, to summarize, there's a simple basic program, and these are fantastically pretty essential add-ons, I would say, wouldn't you? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I hope that makes sense. If you haven't got a coach already, please do get in touch with me. I'm very happy to support you with my team of coaches through your program. Whatever it is that your goals are, we can discuss. Whatever your budget is, we can discuss, and we can work out something that's just right for you. We have support groups, we have fitness ideas, we've got recipe ideas, meal plans, all sorts of things in our group. It's all free when you get yourself on a Herbalife nutrition program. So I look forward to hearing from you soon, because this could be the start of something big for you. I've lost the weight, I've maintained that weight loss, and so can you. See you soon. Bye for now.